Today it's Wednesday, the 3rd of December 2025. So today we as the team of Alkhidmat Foundation Pakistan with Alkhidmat USA are preparing hot meals to distribute them inshallah to the brothers and sisters in the shelters in the central area of Gaza Strip. We are now present at Canaan shelter in the central area of Gaza Strip to distribute hot meals to the needy and displaced families sheltered. Together we stand with compassion and purpose, restoring hope, dignity and humanity to the displaced families. Many thanks to all the donors and supporters. May Allah bless you all.